Breathe. Somebody stupid is poisoning Ashley continuously. Past signed papers, contracts, weaning, medical pills, Ashley's hands are chopped off spiritually. She cannot hold a lighter without another person standing in her to hold it, or it'll just fall. Breathe. Ashley made pottery. And somebody's poisoning Ashley with carbon monoxide. And cigarette smoke. And perfume. Ashley's shadow blacks off with life-saving oxygen. James Lee Woodyard, registered sex offender, and Ashley have been jumping back and forth inside each other and some other people, while these other people are poisoning us. And now they took baby Isaac Timber Lee Moon Alexander Woodyard Wagon Blast out of his body. And his heart and lung apnea, breathing and heart stops, and trying to poison us and kill us while we sleep. The hospital is denying a breathing tube, wanting us to be raped and allow it to happen, or let God take its natural course. We are tired. I want my internet back on. I paid the money. Somehow it's not cool. You're not allowed to turn on that Walmart off at 10 o'clock and call somebody a child and punish them. This is the United States of America. If you want to be terrorists in your own country, get out. If you don't want to be here, get the fuck out. Drop all your fucking clothing. Do not touch any USA American property. And walk your ass to the fucking border to Mexico. Find United Nations and ask them to move you somewhere else. I'm sick of it. We are allowed to believe in little green men and Martians and unicorns. And property. And have our own spirits. And guard them. HIPAA Privacy Medical has a video of Ashley. This shit is physical because I can feel it, and y'all have been switching and putting someone else's itching and body pain on my body. I don't like y'all. I hired Robert Louis Stevens of Russell, Kansas to help me find y'all. Put you in jail. I paid him half a sand nigger dollar. And smoked Grandma Darlene's nigger piss in the dope pipe like wolves do. They piss in their food bowl. And I pissed in his food too. I took a nigger to a nigger. And that's what helped. I tried helping pay back that Walmart debt with the Icy Dragon money cash check. $600 to Christy, another $250 to Christy, $250 Manhattan, Kansas, another $60, $80, and $200 Manhattan, Kansas. Crack prices on meth in Russell, Kansas. After Emma Pottery killed, money that I got, stimulus check, COVID-19. I paid Angela Escarciga's car insurance in 2012. It's paid with James Woodyard. All of his $800. Something. We had receipts, a wire transfer to Mexico for methamphetamine for James Lee Woodyard and his group's manufacturer to stop Jeff Everett from pop bottle crank and leeching on other people's livestock. I don't think Michael Jackson's dead. He put worms on Marvin Alexander's nasal and Dennis Kidwell of Scranton, Kansas, and all over Ashley's face. He taught Ashley's mind, telepathy, and Claire not to tell a lie, and not to kill someone by wanting them. As a child, when all those people were dying, Ashley's body's been gone since 1995, 1997. I know I have human rights. I have other choices, things to do. Where is she? Where is me? Where's my flat-chested training bra girl from Georgia that went and got pictures at Disneyland in Florida as big as Darlene with boobies? Hold on, Ashley.